So as you can see here, guys, I figured out roughly how much these guys make. So if we go 3 times 50 based on the average CPMs, that equals 150. Now, if we times that by 7, that equals 1,500. And if we times that by 4, which is a month, it's around about 4,200 that I estimate these guys are making online. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online in a few simple steps, and we're going to go through this step by step, so you're not going to miss any information. So make sure you stay tuned so you know exactly what you need to do to go and implement this method. Now, with this method, you will not need your own website. That is usually a big problem with trying to make money online. People don't want to go and create a complicated website. So with this method, you don't have to go and do that. Now, every single week, I bring out videos on how to make money online. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And remember, guys, I don't use WhatsApp. I don't use Telegram, I don't use Discord, and I'm not posting on Instagram right now. So anybody doing that using my name is completely fake. Don't get scammed. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you exactly how to make money online. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do in this tutorial on how to make money online is you want to head over to a website called invideo.io. Now, I will actually leave a link below where you can go and click right now to get access to this website. Now, what this website does is essentially we're going to use this to create the content that we need to create, and we can do it really, really quickly. And I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually do that. But first of all, you want to go try now. It's free. So you actually get a free trial here that you can use free forever. Or if you want some more features, you can upgrade to the business or unlimited. Now, in most cases, you're going to be able to stick on the free version or maybe the business version if you decide to stick with this method. But those are the three choices you have. But for most of you guys starting this tutorial, you can do the free one. And if you scroll down below, there's all of like the things that you get in the free version. Okay, so you can go and have a look, see what kind of things that you think you'll need, things that you don't need. But for this tutorial, and if you're a complete beginner, the free version will just be fine to see if this will work for you. So that is invideo.io. I will leave a link below for you to go and check that out. There could also be a discount below. I'm not too sure. Sometimes they have discounts and I get referral codes. Now, once you've done that, you want to actually log into the account. So I have the my account up here, and this is a very simple tutorial to follow along to. So what you want to do is you want to click on the text to video templates. Okay, so there's different types of templates. There's like blank canvas you can have. There's all these pre-made templates, but there's over 4,000 pre-made templates. But what you want to do is do text to video 50 plus templates, and then make sure it's on wide 16:9 because that's the YouTube size. And then you want to go and click find a template. Now, the best templates to find for this specific tutorial are going to be the story templates that have these kind of captions on the videos. Okay, so there's some here, but you can scroll down and there's more down here, there's more here. There's all of these types of templates that you can use. I like the story ones. Actually, these are all story ones. And there's all of these types of templates you can use, right? So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go with something that's quite common. I'm going to go with the shape one, okay? So I'm going to click on shape. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this template. Let's get rid of option 1 because we're not going to be using that. Option 3, we're not going to be using that. We're going to be using option 2. Now, this is a very simple. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to kind of do content like this. So the best push-ups, the best setups, the best bum exercises, the best ab exercises, all these types of things. Now, you don't have to do it just in this specific niche. You could do the best foods to eat, the best fishing tips. You can do this in any type of niche. Now, I am going to give you a warning. This channel has 1.7 million subscribers, and they started doing videos way back 9 years ago. A big thing that people do is they'll start this method and they'll do one video and go, oh, this doesn't work. You're a scammer. This doesn't work. You actually have to put in some effort. You have to put in some work. You have to keep uploading these videos so you can grow in the YouTube algorithm. It doesn't just happen instantly for you. So please keep that in mind. This is not a scam. It could work if you actually put in the effort to do this. These channels put in effort. So for this example,
So that's the type of stuff you're going to be doing just for this niche. You can do it in any niche. But for this example, we're going to go with best leg exercises. Let's just say we want to do a video on the best leg exercises. You want to go and put that into Google and you want to find these articles based on the best leg exercises. Now, what I've done is I've opened up this specific one here. And this is the article here, the best leg exercises. Now, you want to do this method, right, you want to use an article that is clean. So it's straight to the point about the exercises. There's no like garbage above it. And it's all about exercises, okay? So just make sure it's nice and clean. You want to go to the URL at the top, okay? And you want to copy this URL. You want to go back to over here and you want to paste that into here, okay? And this program is going to do all of the work for us. So let me show you exactly what's going to happen. Fetch. It's going to fetch all of this content for us. Now, what we want to do then is we want to click auto summarize. And what it's gone and done is it's gone and put it into scenes for us. 92 scenes, that's actually a lot of scenes. So you would want to go and clean this up most likely. But what I do, like this is very important, you can't just go and use this content, okay? Because this is somebody else's content. But what we've done is we've let this tool, this AI bot, generate this for us. And what we can now do is we can edit these sections. We can change them. And we can change them in two ways. We can change these manually, okay? So like I said, you are going to have to actually put in some work and change these manually, but you can change these manually yourself. Or what you could actually do is you could take this, you could copy this, and there's another thing that you can use to actually change this. You could go to a tool called Article Rewriter. And there's other ones as well. And you can post this content in here. And then you can do the capture. What this does is it completely changes the text, okay? To make it, so it rewrites it. Because, oh, did the wrong capture there. Let me do that again. FBR should be the right one. Now, it's done it, okay? While segregation works out, for example, lying leg twists and leg augmentations have a spot in preparing compounding movements. So what it's done is it's changed this for us, okay? Now, it hasn't probably changed it completely. You might have to use a plagiarism. And how you can do that is you can go to a tool online, a free tool. There's lots of them. Just put in plagiarism checker into YouTube and you can paste that text into here that you changed. And it will tell you if it's been used anywhere else. If it isn't, then you can use it because the AI bot, this rewriter tool, has changed that text for us, okay? But it's just really important that you don't just go and put the article in here and then use the same text because you can't do that, okay? This is not your content to use, but the reason we put this in here is because it's much easier for us to use this tool to fetch this content to create the scenes for us, okay? We're really just doing this to create the scenes, and then we can alter the text, we can change the text ourselves, and it will take you a little bit. I will admit that 90 scenes is actually quite a lot. Usually it's around about 30 to kind of 35 scenes that you would want to do, okay? You don't need to do a lot. So you can change this. So you can put text in here. You can really do whatever you want, but you will want to change some of this. It's very important because if you don't, you could get in trouble, okay? So make sure you do change this. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this one here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it into here, and I'm going to rewrite it for us, okay? And then I'm going to go and take this, I think. Yeah, so it's actually pretty close to this original one. So I would really need to change this some more manually. So you would need to do that. But yeah, it's very important that you change it. Okay, there's two ways. Manually do it or use an article rewriter. Or if you want some more tools, go to Google and put in free article spinner. And it's got all of these article spinners you can use. Spinbot is a good one. Article writer, articlespinner.co. These are the ones that you can use. So once you've kind of cleaned this up, and you can also clean it up on the next page, but once you've cleaned all of this up, click go to store. Now I did get a message, guys, when I did that. I didn't show it on the video, I edited it out, but it said, for best optimal performance, keep the scenes under 30 scenes, okay? So you want to make sure you have 30 scenes or under, or it's probably going to be way too long. So you can edit that and change that in the scene section. All right, guys, so now what you can see that it's done is it's done these kind of segments here. So we've got the title here. That's obviously not the right kind of video or image, but you can see it comes up here. Just like the videos that this channel does. Now, what you can actually do is you can, so there's a few things you're going to have to do, right? First of all, you're probably going to have to change a lot of these images. So these are images. So here's another one here, right? So what you can do is you could put in some videos. There's some videos here that you can use. What you can use really depends on the plan that you have. Okay, you can put in fitness, you can find some videos here. You can also use some images that they give you as well that you could use. But what I would recommend is heading to a website called pixels.com, and we can put in something like leg workout. And there's a few things that we can get from pixels.com. We can get photos. So you can actually drag photos onto here, and you can do like a zoom in effect and stuff. So there's a leg workout there, there's a leg workout here. These images you can use, they're royalty-free images. Or we could actually go to the video section and we could download a video that has leg workouts. Now that's not the right size, but we'll try to find one that's the right size. Right, so this is the right size here. So let me go free download and download this video. Now all I have to do is go upload media, and then go to downloads and upload that video. It's a 3-second video. So this is actually a 6-second segment. So I probably want to put in, so what I can actually do is drag media here. We'll go use full video. And here we go. So just like that, what I've done is I've put it in there, and it's a 3-second video. So that'll change depending on the size of the video, right? And so you can go through, you can change all of that, you can change text, you can edit all of these here, but you can go through and kind of see what it's like. And you can drag some media. You essentially upload the video and then you drag it into here. There's even some free images here that you can use. What else we got? There's some images there. But what you want to do is you want to go and edit these images. Just make sure you got the right images or the right videos on there for your specific segments. Now, you don't need to make the videos very long. These videos are only like 6 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 4 minutes here. So these videos aren't very long. Now, once you've gone and created the slides and you've edited this all up and you've made it look really, really nice and clean, and you've double checked all your text is different from the actual article. Remember, we only use the article, so it will automatically generate the scenes for us. Okay, you need to actually edit them. There's going to be people that are going to go and upload it without checking, and like, honestly, those guys are idiots because it's not going to work. You need to make sure you change the text. Okay, like I mentioned in this video, if you don't change the text and you come back and you write in my comments that this is a scam, it doesn't work, that's on you. You have to do this properly. So go and change all of this, change the stuff, put it in videos, make sure the text is right, and then go to download and share. And now you're ready to go and upload this to YouTube. And I'm going to export this as the 1080 default. And I'll show you exactly how to go and optimize YouTube so you can start to get some traffic. All right, guys, so the next step is we need to upload this video to YouTube. Now, remember, you will need to do more than one video. You can't just upload one video and make money. I feel like I say this all the time, but there's always somebody in the comments that says it doesn't work. And then they show me what they've done and it's like one video. So to do this, you're going to need a YouTube account, and you're going to need a program called TubeBuddy or something similar to this. This is free to install. I will leave a link below where you can get TubeBuddy. And this will optimize your video for you. Now, I don't have TubeBuddy installed in this browser right now because I'm using a different browser, so I don't upload on my main account, and sometimes I've actually uploaded by mistake and made it live. But essentially what this does, TubeBuddy, is it tells you the exact keywords to go for and all of that sort of stuff, right? So there's all of these tutorials online that you can use to see how TubeBuddy works. TubeBuddy even has their own YouTube channel with all the tutorials that you need. Okay, so I would recommend using TubeBuddy. I will leave a link below so you can go and check that out. It shows you like a lot of stuff. You can split test thumbnails and everything. Anyway, what you want to do is you create your YouTube channel, go and upload a video. And you want to upload the video that you created from the InVideo software. Now, it's important that you understand that you do the video properly, okay, before you download it and upload it to the internet. So first of all, you want to put in a title. And what I did is 12 best quick leg exercises for stronger legs, and then how to get fit legs. So I'm a bit of a, I guess, master at ranking videos. I've been doing it for a long time. Most of my YouTube videos on this channel come from search traffic. So what I've done is 12 best quick leg exercise for stronger legs. So we've got some keywords in here: leg exercises, stronger legs, and then how to get fit legs is something that people also search. So I put that in brackets. Then what you want to do is you want to actually write a full description about 200 words long with your keywords in it, like leg exercises and stronger legs. Now, I'm not going to do it in this video, but what you could essentially do, I'll show you an example on my actual channel here. So let's do this video here where it says I made $4,000 with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is in the title, and then beginner's tutorial. So these are kind of like the things I target. But if you see down here, it says I've been making money for some time online, for some time now with affiliate marketing. So this is a keyword, okay? Great way to make money. That's a keyword that I want to rank for. Make money online with affiliate marketing. That's a keyword that I want to rank for. It's very important that you put a very good description in your video so it ranks online and you get traffic, okay? Now, I will leave some videos below on how to kind of optimize videos a bit more, but when you have TubeBuddy installed, okay, it's also going to show you the best keywords and stuff to rank for and the best tags. So if we go to show more, this is where you put your tags in, okay? So something like leg exercises, I'll copy that. I would put in some stuff like best leg exercises. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, so I'll put in something like best leg exercises. What I'll do is I'll put a bunch in and I'll come back, okay? All right, guys, so what I've done is I've done best leg exercises for 2021, how to get stronger legs, best way to get stronger legs, how to get fit legs, best way to get fit legs. So you want to do things that are in your title, okay? So do things that are in your title and in your description. And then you also want to upload a thumbnail. You can find tutorials on how to do that and how to make thumbnails online. Or you can go and pay someone on like Fiverr.com and stuff like that. Now, once the video is processed, it will show the video some thumbnails here that you could also use as well if you like. And then you just go to next, and then you go to next, and then you go to next, and you choose public, and you make, oh, see, it's got a thumbnail there now, and you make the video public. Now, I'm not going to make this one public, but remember, you need to do more than just one video. What you're trying to, an actual YouTube channel that you grow over time. Okay, you're going to be growing this over time. All right, guys, that's how you can make money online with YouTube videos. If you want some more videos on how to make money with YouTube and stuff like that and affiliate marketing, I will leave some videos up on the screen that you can watch right now. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the videos on the right.